Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about the very interesting topic that is your brand management. So in continuation of your product development, let us understand the very important and key concepts related to the brand management. So what is a brand? Whether it is a symbol or it is a name or it is a logo or the label what will appears in your particular product. Yes, it is a combination of all those things that says about your brand. So everyday concept, say for example, whenever we wake up, we used to have a brand in our life. Say for example, without a cup of coffee as Nescafe, or without a chocolate of a particular child as a dairy milk or a Kit Kat. Yes, of course, it is a brand. Ever I wear a watch with a Titan? Yes, of course, it is a branding. So without a brand, we are not moving on our life nowadays. So the brand is something different from our product. So what is brand? It is been around for centuries and its primary function is to differentiate one producer's goods from the another's. So, term, sign, symbol, design, or combination of them that identifies the goods and services of one seller or group of sellers and distinguish from those of the competitors. That is known as a brand. Okay, it is not just like selling a particular product, but it is all about building a connection with the customers, that is maintaining that connection and ensuring the brand stands out in the competitive marketplace. That is known as your branding. So brand creation includes, as I said, creating a name, logo, symbol, and giving the product an identity that we can give it to a particular consumer, differentiating the product from the competitors to make it stand out in the market. So this is brand. And what is branding? It is the process of turning a brand into something recognizable and memorable to the consumers, giving a catchy name to your product, giving a catching logo to your product, and different images to your product with a good slogan which ever lives in the minds of the consumers. That becomes your branding. So this branding allows the companies to stand out in a crowded marketplace to identify a particular product. It is more helpful. And again, even in many business offers similar products or services, strong brand line helps them the company to be noticed, trusted, or remembered by their consumers. It is a tool for companies to build the loyalty, expand their offerings, and increase the revenue by creating a strong connection with their audience. And what is brand management? It includes both things, that is, one is your tangible, another one is your intangible assets. So brand management is your careful planning and monitoring of how a brand is perceived in the market. So tangible aspects includes design, packing, price, and how it's presented to the market. Intangible products includes the feelings and experiences the consumers have with the brand, their trust, loyalty, and emotional connections. These are all the things which will build a strong relationship between the product or the brand with the consumers. So a brand manager's role is to ensure that these elements are aligned to create a consistent positive brand image into the market. And effective brand management, it requires what are the things is understanding the market. We have to target the audience, and then we need the brand's unique qualities, ensuring that the brand remain strong and relevant over the time. So you're able to understand what is branding and what is brand management and what is brand also. Now let me explain to you clearly what is the difference between the brand and the product. As I told you earlier, this product is essential to recognize the product. We have to essentially understand the difference between the brand and the product. That is, a brand is essentially a product but with added elements, that is set with apart from other products meeting the same need. Example, chocolate is a product, but Kit Kat made with the Nestle as a brand because it differentiates itself as a wafer based chocolate bar. So, through branding, companies create perceived differences between products, which adds value and helps turn that value into profits. To earn profits, to stabilize ourselves, to sustain ourselves in the market, we have to go for the concept of your branding. So, I think you are able to understand clearly about what is branding, brand management, and what are the difference between your main product and your brand. Kindly keep in touch to learn more about this particular field. Thank you.